When you are out on a field trip, it can be good to make tea from the needles here on the pine trees, and they contain a lot of vitamin C. You can make this tea to survive in the wilderness, and you can also make this tea on trips like this when everything is comfortable, but you want tea directly from nature. And now we're going to go inside the lavvo and make some tea from this. And I pick the new growth here. I pick only 4 or 5 of these. Pick from different locations so I don't harm the tree too much. Pick one. Take this one. One over here. And over here. Take one here. And this is enough to make a good cup of tea for me and Erling. Let's go. The first thing I have to do is to put the needles into the kettle, and I have water here now, and then it's ready to cook. Put the gas burner on. Just have to wait. The water is boiling, so I switch off the gas. And now we have to leave it for 5 minutes, then we can drink it. Now it's ready to drink. Pour it into the cups here. Your cup, Erling.
Yes, thank you. This is my first cup of pine tea. Nice taste. Not very strong, but I can taste the pine. Yeah, it's good.
So what's your rating? 5 stars or 1?
I'll survive. No, it's really good. It's really good.